As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Mawkhanu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in the future generation. Because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.